nako Bea, for 18. So, level 18 unlock, sabi nga nila. So, I saw you grow from a little baby and feel that you are now a young lady talaga. I can't wait to see all the amazing things you'll do. May your journey to adulthood be filled with adventure and joy. Always listen to your mommy, May. Ganito lang kami mga mami, talaga. Hanggat buhay, lagi nagsasalita. And listen to your dad and continue to be a good sister to Hero. Don't forget that we love you and you're always your lolo's favorite. Sabi nga niya sa akin, dalawa kayo ni Kyle. Happy birthday and God bless.
So, hi, Bea. So, first of all, happy birthday. And I hope you will enjoy this very special day. And not just today, but most importantly, sa next journey mo in college and other endeavors na gusto mong gawin. And I hope you will continue to be passionate on the things you want and be able to turn challenges na may encounter mo into opportunities and find the positive sides of the things. And I know for a fact na hindi madali ang college, but I hope you will find the journey to be enjoyable and fun and enjoy mo lang na pag natapos na, magiging worth it siya, lahat ng paghihirap. And wag kang magpapastress. Wag kang magpapadala sa stress sa academic works. And whenever you feel down about anything, just remember na magiging okay lahat in the end. And ayun lang, sana you will enjoy being 18 and discover a lot of things in the world. Happy birthday and always remember that we love you.
Hi, Bea. I'll only wish you happiness, growth, and success. And I'm really thankful for you. And thank you for being generous and thoughtful whenever you visit us in Batangas. That's all.
So, hello Bea, happy 18th birthday. Ayoko ng mahabang message kasi naiiyak ako. Naiyak nga ako kanina kay Ate Buding. So, ayan. Wait, so, may this candle be your light through your journey in the future. I know life is too hard. So don't be too hard on yourself. Basta lagi kang tatawag kay Lord. Kahit na malungkot ka or masaya. So, basta gusto ko ay maging successful ka. Mahal ka na.
Happy 18th birthday. Enjoy mo lang yung gaming ito kasi ito na yung pinakahihintay mong araw na makapag-celebrate ng iyong 18th birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo and God bless.
Hello, good evening po sa ating lahat. Hi, Bea. Happy 18th birthday. Hindi man tayo sobrang ganong ka-close, magkakilala tayo. Sobrang nakakatawa kasi naging part ako, kami ng family ko, na itong pinaka-special na gabi. So enjoy mo lang kung ano yung... Actually, nakikita ko kung gaano kasaya si Bea ngayon. Yung kaninang pasok nung magsasayaw sa kanya, sobrang napahalakhak siya. So, sobrang siyang siya. Kasi di ba napaka-jolly mong tao, nakakatuwa. Tsaka nakikita ko naman ang dami mong friends at ang daming nagmamahal sa'yo. Kaya, siguro, sabi ni Ate Maya, hindi kayo nagkakasundo. Pero syempre, kahit 80 na, makikinig pa rin sa magulang. So, happy birthday. And maging jolly ka everyday. Sana lagi kang healthy and happy. Happy birthday!
Ayun, happy birthday, Bea. Meron lang ako isang advice sa'yo as you go through the next chapter of your life. You know, when most people or there will be people who would turn to God during their worst, their most difficult time, yung walang-wala na sila, that's when they turn to God. But I tell you, you turn to God at the start of your day. You start your day with a prayer, and then start all your endeavors with a prayer. Kneel and pray to God, not asking for what you want. You don't pray to ask God what you want. You pray to ask God to give you what is best for you. So as you go through life, remember that. And I'd like to borrow yung favorite verse ng lolo mo, Proverbs 3:5. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Happy birthday, Bea.
Thank you for coming into our lives and for bringing joy to us. And we always look forward pag weekends when you go to Cavite to bond with us. And as your tita, all I can wish and pray for you is to always obey your parents and your lola. And one piece of advice also is don't rush things. So just live the moment and enjoy the process of your journey. I-enjoy mo yung bawat chapters ng buhay mo and yung journey kasi the right time, kumbaga mas maganda yan pagka talagang wini-wait mo yung tamang time para sa lahat ng bagay-bagay dito. And always remember na we love you and we support you in everything that you do. Yun lang and happy birthday.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Bea, sobrang saya ko at nandito ka at nagdiriwang na ngayong ika-18th birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo at lagi kong dasal ay sana ay yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, lalo na ngayon magka-college ka na, ay matupad. Lalo mong pagpursigihin ang pag-aaral mo. At alam ko naman kayang-kaya mo yan. Lalo siguro akong magiging masaya. O ikaw, lalo ka siguro nagiging sobrang saya natin kung nandito ang Lolo Edwin mo, nakasama natin ngayon kasi ang hilig nung mag-party. Kaya ihahag na lang ko si Lolo sa'yo. Kahit saan man siya naruroon, alam kong masaya siya at nakikita niya tayong lahat. Pag mayroon kang mga problema, nandito lang lagi ang lola mo, isang text mo lang, at saka nandyan din ang iyong lola pet at ang iyong lolo dado, lagi ka ding mag-consult sa kanila, sa aming lahat. Mahal na mahal kita, Bea. Pagka nga hindi ka nagtitext, parang nalulungkot ako. Oh. Tandaan mo ha, love na love kita. Maging masunurin ka sa mami mo at daddy mo, mahalin mo ang kapatid mo. Ha? Okay? Happy birthday. Bea, you are beautiful, energetic, and so amazing. Bea Isabel, ito ang pangalang nagniningning sa gabing ito. Happy birthday!
Dear Bea, I have but one wish for you, and that is, I wish you all the strength to move forward. I wish you all the best. Siyempre, ikaw ang aking pinsan, pero higit doon, ikaw ay aking kaibigan. Kahit noon pa sa Valenzuela, nung bata pa tayo, ikaw ang aking katandem. Pagkatawa, katawa, yun, sa mga, pagkatawa natin. Pati na rin sa, mga naranasan nating kalungkutan. Like I said a while ago, I wish you all the best. Moving forward, marami kang mararanasan. I wish you strength. Alam ko kaya mo to. Baka yung wish ko, alam ko, ikaw na mismo, may strength ka. I will just wish for more. Yun. Sorry. Mahal kita, Bea. And moving forward, we, your family, is always here by your side. Your friends are by your side. And of course, may God guide you on your journey moving forward. I wish you all the best.